Hi there everybody, it's UK independent Stampin' Up demonstrator Helzie here from slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm going to be playing with the Playing in the Rain Cling stamp set. I love this one, I fell in love with it. It has coordinating dies, and these are the dies. What I love about this set is the tortoise. So I own a tortoise squirt. He's gorgeous and cute, and I'll put a little picture over the video now for you. Isn't he adorable? And he features on all of these papers and also on the stamp set. Now the great thing about these papers is they've got like a wax finish on it. So hopefully you can see, but they shine. They're brilliant. They're quite thick and it's really lovely. So you get 12 sheets of 6 double-sided designs and you get 2 of each. Now, I'm going to be using this top sheet for my projects. What I've done recently is I've started taking one sheet of DSP and using it to create a number of projects, and that's what I'm going to do today. So you can see the dies actually fit the images in this stamp set. The stamp set's at 70%, so once it's actually stamped, they will fit. But they also fit this sheet of DSP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one 12 by 12 sheet, I'm going to sit and I'm going to run it through my Big Shot, and I'm going to cut out all of the little character pieces. And I'm not just going to cut out the full pieces, I'm also going to cut out the half pieces and the 3/4 pieces, because we will still be able to make cards with those. So after I'd done that, these are all the pieces. I sat and did it all in front of the TV one night, and you can see I've done the half pieces as well. Now, over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to be bringing you cards that's using these little bits and pieces. So at the start of each video, I'm just going to play this video and then I'll show you a different project that I have used with all of these. And you can see it's cut all of the bits of paper out, but it's actually got decent sized parts on the back so that I can use the pink DSP with the projects, which is what I'm going to do. And I'm also going to layer it up with other options. So I'm going to do 5 or 6 projects over the next couple of weeks and hopefully you like them. I'm just going to put these all to the side and let's get kick-started with the next project. The card I'm going to be doing today is this one here with my cute little fox in his little rain jacket, and I've decided to put some yellow background detail from some of the other DSPs on the card so it complements his jacket. So here's the fox that I cut out the DSP. And my piece of basic white, 10.5 by 14.8. And I'm also going to be using these DSPs just to create a little bit of background. And I'm going to be using the beautiful shapes dies, and I'm going to be using this small hexagon. So I'm just going to run that through the Big Shot. I'm not doing many. I'm doing 2 of the gingham ones, 2 of the flower ones, and 1 of the umbrella DSPs. So I've got the 5 and I'm just going to be decorating the top part of the card. I just wanted to create some background detail so that it didn't look too plain and boring, but I didn't decide to do all the card because I thought it would just be too busy. You know, if I'd have done this all in the background, I probably wouldn't have seen my fox. So I did decide to just keep it minimalistic and stick it all down. So first of all, I positioned where I wanted it, and then I took each individual piece up and I stuck them down. I do really like that yellow and white sort of gingham look card. I think it's beautiful, really cool. And I'm actually going to be using that on a few of these projects because it's just such a pretty DSP. Really nice. It's actually my favourite in the pack. And considering it doesn't have an actual pattern on, that's a big statement from me. So once I've done that, I'm just going to snip around the edges for any overhangs and take those off. And then I'm going to stick on my little fox. So I'm going to pop him towards the bottom, just so there's a bit of detail down there. And then I'm also going to be popping a sentiment down there as well. So I'm going to go this rainy days is better with you. I quite like the sentiment on that one, but also it's not massive. It's not going to take up all my card. It's just a little snippet at the bottom. So I'm going to be using Memento ink and I'm going to grab some scrap basic white and I'm just going to ink that up and stamp it down. And then I've decided I'm going to cut it as sort of a banner. So I'm going to cut it straight across the bottom, straight across the top. I've got a bit of hexagonal on my scissors from where we cut around the side. So that's stuck. So I'm just going to stick the sentiment down now using my seal, and then I'm going to put my fox sort of over the top of it. I'm also sticking everything flat on this card. I know normally I pop things up and do them sort of foamed up, but I wanted the front of this card to be all flat. I've got a piece of cardstock that I normally keep anyway, folded and scored, so that's an A6 base. I'm sticking my front panel on the top of it now, adding quite a bit of adhesive on there and sticking it down, and there is my finished card. A couple of embellishments to finish. These are the adhesive back sequins from the new mini catalogue. I am loving these gold sequins. I think they're beautiful. So I've just added those onto the card, and there we go. What do you think? Do let me know in the comments below. Do make sure you're subscribed, because there's quite a few videos coming out using this set, which I would hate for you to miss. And you can head over to my Instagram and see them as well, at Slim and Stylish. Everything I've used today is available from my store, slimandstylish.stampinup.net. Please do head over there for any of your Stampin' Up needs. Thanks everybody. I will see you all again soon. Bye.